Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah. In my channel I talk about um, some functionality, how to use in Excel. I give a quick training. Uh, Today's lesson would be how to use a function called unique. As you guys can see, I have a list of people with their email. This is just a demo data, and then their numbers. Salespeople could use this kind of formatting, and then let's say if you would like to know how many customers order, let's say in this scenario, John ordered 3 times here. So you just want to pick only the first people who ordered, not the second one. That's where we use a unique function. So let's go and take a look. I could start with equal sign, and then I'll type unique in this column, in this cell, and then open. So I'm trying to see the names. Uh, I'm dragging from column A2 all the way to A24, okay? And then close and enter. So now all the duplicate names, it will be eliminated, so you just can get only first time order. So let's say this is 23 people, but in reality 15 people is only one first order people, so that way you can only capture the first people order that. So this is, let's say this is our new list, okay? Just giving it a column. So this is my new list. And also if you like to capture who's being duplicated, you can come here under this. Pretty much I'm just gonna use the same format, and instead of closing I'm just gonna put double comma, and then I'll say true, okay, and then close. So this only gonna give you only the people, single people order, not duplicate one. So as you guys can see, John is not exist here because it's not really, because they ordered twice. So these people, out of that 23 order you have, 8 people did not order twice, so they only order once, okay? You could do pretty much a false, and instead of saying it true, you can say false, okay? And then it will give it to you. If you're saying false, pretty much it will give you the same scenario what we did earlier. It will give you everything who orders, so it's only 15, okay? The other way you can also look at it would be is, let's say you have a date. So on the date, uh, March 1st, you know, there's few people ordering March 1st. So you want to know the range. Pretty much the same thing. You can use the unique method, equal sign, unique, okay, open. Instead of using column A, I'm just gonna use F1 all the way to F23, okay? This will give me the range of the days. So I have ordered in March 1st, March 5th, 4th, and 8th, okay? and that's pretty much how I could use that. Also, if you like to sort, I know you can usually just put a filter here and sort that way. And if you like to use a formula just to sort, all you just gotta do is, let's say I'm sorting column A, okay? I'm just gonna add here sort equal sign, okay? Sort. I'm gonna open that unique bracket, will stay there, and then I will take the false statement and then close it. This will sort, oops, sorry. This will sort from A, in alphabetical order. You could do it that way. Or if you want it instead of Anthony will be on top, you want Sarah. Uh, all you just gotta do is click the first one, sort unique. You just keep that and take one column out and then double quote and -1 and then close. Okay, now you can get Sarah on top. This is pretty much the same thing, like clicking here and adding like a filter. Okay, but if you like to add a formula, you could do it that way too. Okay, hopefully this helped, and if you have any question, you always welcome to send me a message. uh, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate for all your comments and support. Thank you. All right, see you next time.